Good morning and happy Tuesday to you, my friends. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends, it is time for recitation. And remember that on next Monday, we will be doing our recitation. So today is Tuesday. So that means we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 more days of practicing. If you count today, it is 4 days. So on next Monday, we will do our recitation during morning live session. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our recitation. Remember, the very first thing is the title and the author. Your hands are either at your sides, in your pockets, or behind your backs. Your eyes are on the audience, and the audience's eyes are on you. So here we go, friends. I meant to do my work today by Richard Le Gallienne. I meant to do my work today, but a brown bird sang in the apple tree, and a butterfly flitted across the field, and all the leaves were calling me, and the wind went sighing over the land, tossing the grasses to and fro, and a rainbow held out its shiny hand. So what could I do but laugh and go? And don't forget to take your bow. All righty, friends, it is now time for morning meeting. So remember, the very first thing we would do is Mrs. Harrow will draw out student of the day card. Yesterday it was Allie. Today's student of the day is Ruby Adams. All righty, Ruby. Now, if Ruby was here, the very first thing Ruby would do is turn the clock to morning, because we do not come to school in the night. Then Mrs. Harrow would give Ruby her student of the day sticker, followed by giving Ruby a pointer and saying, all righty, young lady, you are on. Oh, but wait a minute. I forgot. Ay, ay, ay. If Ruby were here, Ruby would write her first and last name, but because Ruby isn't here, Mrs. Harrow would have to do that for her. Okay, so I am going to write Ruby Adams. Okay. All right, so now that we have Ruby's name written down, all righty, young lady, now you are on. And Ruby would say, this here thing is called a calendar. And this here is called a month. And what month are we in? March. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Monday, then that means that today is Tuesday. But let's just double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And let's go ahead and do our months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And how many months are in a year? 12 months in a year. Now, friends, it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now, before we add 23, let's go ahead and do our A, B, B, C pattern, beginning with hexagon, parallelogram, parallelogram, circle. Hexagon, parallelogram, parallelogram, circle. Hexagon, parallelogram, parallelogram, circle. Please be sure that you are saying the patterns with me. Hexagon, parallelogram, parallelogram, circle. Hexagon, parallelogram, parallelogram, circle. Hexagon, parallelogram, parallelogram. Excellent. And here is our number 23. Okay, we will go ahead and put that here. And then let's go ahead and help Ruby with the letters in the month. Very first one is a capital M. And remember, in Danielian writing, the peaks, the middle peak stops at the dotted line, okay, followed by Danielian A, R, C, H. And remember, C and H make the ch sound like in chocolate. Excellent. Then we're going to finger space. And what two digits are we writing today? Aha, a 2 and a 3, and a 2 and a 3 makes what number? 23, followed by, is a comma number? No, sillies, it is a space. And please give me the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 1. Now let's go ahead and read today's date with Ruby. So here we go. Today's date is Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 134 days, what would today be? Well, ask yourself, what comes after 34 if we're counting? Say if we're counting, let's start at 30, okay? But we're going to add 100 to that. So 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135. Ooh, 135. So the very first thing we're going to draw out is our great big bundle of 100. So here's 100. Then we're going to follow by Mr. 10. So 110, 120, 130. Then we need Mrs. Ones. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135. All right, so now let's go ahead and graph this on our days in school graph. Okay. So in our 100s column, I am going to write a 1, in Mr. 10's column, 3 plus 0 equals 3. So I'm going to write a 3 there. And then in Mrs. 1's column, let's see what we have. Well, 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, so we're going to write a 5 right there. So now let's compare our days in school tag and see if it matches. Do we have one great big bundle of 100s? Do we have 3 Mr. 10s? Do we have 5 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 135. That is a whole lot of days. Now, really, really quickly, friends, I want to show you something. Here is our days in school stack. Now, look here, friends. It's gotten smaller to the point where my rubber band is becoming very, very loose on our cards. Do you remember when our stack was like this high? So we've got a few more weeks left of school, friends, but it's kind of exciting that we're getting near to you guys moving on to the first grade. I'm like, oh, I really wouldn't want you guys to go on, but at the same time, I know that you guys are super duper ready for that, right? All right, friends, it's time for our coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. And today in our coin cup, friends, we have a brand new coin. And some of you might know this coin already. This coin right here is called a nickel. Okay, this is a nickel. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. So when you see a nickel, it's kind of like our tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up, 5. When you see a nickel, you count your nickels by 5s. So a nickel is worth 5 cents. And I have quite a few nickels here. Okay, so as I drop them into the coin cup, we're going to count by 5s. Okay, so here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 35 cents. So of course we're not going to do 35 tally marks, but we are going to write here on our coin cup, we're going to write 35 cents. And don't forget that cent sign, okay? 35 cents. All right. So friends, it is now time for our mystery bag. Dun, dun, dun. Now today we are going to do the problem that it's asking us. We haven't done it before. So if we don't know the answer, is that okay? Yes, because why do you come to kindergarten? You come to kindergarten to learn. So I want you to listen to my clues in my mystery bag. So friends, today I put 17 paper clips in my mystery bag. So I want you to picture that, 17 of them. Now I will take 9 paper clips out. I better count them to make sure that it's only 9 of them. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to get to 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now I want to know how many paper clips are in my bag now. So Ruby, I want you to give it a shot. Okay, so listen to the clues again. So we had 17 paper clips in our mystery bag. I then take out 9. I want to know how many paper clips are left in my mystery bag. That's kind of a hard one. So see if Ruby can figure it out. Ruby said 8. Thumbs up if you think Ruby is correct. Okay. I don't know. I'm going to count and see what I have left. Let's see if Ruby is correct. I have to make sure I get all of my paper clips out because they can get stuck in the little purses. Okay, so let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ding, 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 ding. Great job. So I had 17 paper clips in my mystery bag. I removed 9 of them. I now have 8. Great job, Ruby. Excellent, my friend. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do our number line. Let's go ahead and start at, let's count by 100s. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Excellent. Let's go ahead and count by 10s. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And let's do our odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. And finally, let's count by 5s. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Excellent. And finally, let's go ahead and look at our 100s chart. And friends, we're going to add 10 to a number. Let's go ahead and let's add it by 9s. So here we go. 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, and 99. Alrighty, friends. So when we meet today for Math Live, although it's Math Live, we will be doing our systematic phonics. So make sure that you have your letters ready. So I will see you guys in just a little bit. Bye, friends.